So what were we talking about?
We were talking about the trajectory of your career, basically.
So but anyway, then फिर ये मैं styling में करने लगी, acting में again I'm telling you the drama and how the drama has changed.
अच्छा हाँ, we were talking about then and now. So styling over the years.
Yeah.
Commercials किए और Coke Studio किया.
My first feature
What are the landmarks of your work, would you say?
My first feature film as an associate was Lal Kabutar.
Lal Kabutar, yeah.
Yes. And then I worked on Coke Studio. This was season 12. And then like I did, everything. Uske baad, then I was just like, doing a lot of, commercials, like everything. Nestle and this and that, whatever, like you name it. And then...
Is it a demanding job?
It is a demanding job.
It is.
It's also a very well-paid job. You get to travel a lot.
Right.
Ab cheezein obviously kam ho gayi hain. We don't get to travel as much. But we do a lot of international shoots and with, like aapka, that you work with international directors and teams and, it's just...
There's a lot of learning.
It is a lot of
fun
learning.
Work, yeah.
Yes. My only thing now is, as a stylist, it's come to a point where the brands or the brand managers will tell you what they want.
Yeah. पहले नहीं था ऐसे?
I don't think.
Coke Studio में ऐसा नहीं था?
No. So Coke Studio was a different thing altogether. Like they said कि, हमारे color palettes, ये वो whatever. That was a different thing altogether.
Mood board होता था.
Yeah. But with brands, like now let's say whatever XYZ brand, if it's like a telecom brand and they'll be like, oh, हमारा brand color ये है, तो हमें इस color के कपड़े चाहिए.
Yeah.
And I feel like even as a stylist, we give style boards, which will only get approved by, let's say, the creative head first from the agency. Then it'll go to the brand and they'll go to some head. And then they will, let's say if they don't like polo shirts. So they will completely like cancel that.
Trash it.
Yeah, and be like, nahi, polo nahi ho sakti. And when I style somebody, if it's like a character, I will do it according to what their body type is.
Yeah.
Or, what class they belong to, A, B. Like, जिस तरह से हम commercials में जो भी वो दिखा रहे होते हैं. I mean, obviously, वो लोग भी उस तरीके से सोचते होंगे, but I think उनकी बहुत एक personal opinions होते हैं जो आते हैं. And lately, I've also started feeling that I was only just, I was just procuring things for them.
Yeah.
वो कहते थे ये हमें ये चाहिए. हमें येलो कलर की टी शर्ट चाहिए, हमें ब्लू कलर का शर्ट.
This is the brands now.
Yeah. So now, I wasn't really enjoying it. I was like, where is my creative leeway to work as a stylist or to style certain things? Which is why when I did Love Guru, and I enjoyed that a lot.
So one wonders that, is it how much of it is Myra, because she is a very well-dressed person, even personally.
Yeah.
And how much of it is Humayun, because Humayun is a very classic dresser, he doesn't experiment much.
He did it this time. He experimented this time.
He did experiment this time. And is the stylist also responsible for the hair?
No. I mean...
And makeup? And so, tell me the process of, putting their wardrobes or their looks together for, because हम देखते हैं बाहर की फिल्मों में costume design एक पूरा project होता है. It's like part of Frankenstein पे ही. Costume design is like a whole department. It's like
I still have to watch that. I still have to watch it.
It's like a whole pillar of the film कि अच्छा costume design पे कितना invest हुआ हुआ है, क्या सोच है. It's as important as a character building or a character arc is the costume designing. हमारी फिल्मों में ऐसा तो नहीं होता. क्या होता है?
Again,
मतलब फोन आया नदीम बेग ने फोन किया वर्दा को कि I want you to style Love Guru.
Yeah.
What does that entail?
That entails basically everything in kind of creating the character.
What is the conversation you have?
Again, I asked him, obviously storyline. I wanted to know what the characters are like, so their character descriptions, and their background, जो भी आपकी character development होती है, जो अक्सर हम obviously नहीं पूरा नहीं दिखा रहे थे कि बैक स्टोरी होती है हर कैरेक्टर की जो हम दिखाते हैं. So it was that, and then I spoke about what season we're shooting in, what time, and then there's day scenes and night scenes, and then there are colors that you wear in the day and there are colors that you wear in the night, and then deciding a silhouette, deciding what hairstyle to do for them. And then even like kind of choosing the makeup or styles, matlab, I don't do that, but again like creating looks basically everything कि भाई वो अगर वो एक तरीके से लाइनर लगाती है तो वो उसका स्टाइल
उसके तरीके से लगाएगी,
उसके तरीके से लाइक कैरेक्टर का है कि वो ऐसे करती है. यू नो एंड आई थिंक नॉर्मल जिंदगी में भी होता है कि अगर कोई एक बंदा है जो वर्किंग वुमन है एंड शी हैज अ handbag, she won't use a different handbag every day. Like, you know, it's something, you know, things that are repetitive also. तो वो आपको वो चीज़ें डालनी होती हैं. Then there's again the whole production design कि अगर sets हैं तो वो कौन से कलर के हैं, तो कपड़े किस कलर के होंगे. Like, you know, a lot of things. Again, shooting in London and then different locations और मौसम and this, that. तो अक्सर ऐसा होता था कि हमें नहीं उस वक्त, you know, we had to change things. So initially the board that I made was something which was for fall but not fully winters. But obviously because of the visas and, you know, stuff got a little delayed and we went and it was really cold.
Yeah.
It becomes a little tough also to style for winters because no matter what you put inside.
Is it easier to style winter? Layering कर लो और
layering कर लो, हाँ.
ठंड भी तो होती है ना.
हाँ.
ठंड भी तो होती है.
ठंड भी तो होती है. And it was really cold.
Yeah.
And both the actors, by the way, Mahira and Humayun, को बहुत ठंड लगती थी. तो I would be sticking heat patches on their bodies and, you know, like for the songs, let's say she was wearing backless and she would be shivering. So like the minute would cut, we would give her the jacket.
क्योंकि सुनने वाले को लगता है how glamorous ना, ये लोग 1-2 महीने के लिए लंदन जाके रहे, वहाँ शूट किया, वर्दा की जॉब कितनी ग्लैमरस है. तो वर्दा की जॉब कितनी ग्लैमरस थी.
So a lot of my friends say that. It's like, तुम तो घूमती रहती हो and तुम, you know, you in and out and this, that, whatever. I'm like, man, but I'm working like crazy. Like, you don't understand. If we're on set 12 hours straight.
Yeah.
You know, or, you know, whatever, XYZ. मतलब commercials तो और लंबे चलते हैं ना, 18 hours, 24 hours. And like, you're on set. So, I mean, it's not all glamorous. Everything that glitters is not gold. So it was, and again, you're like, you know, you're saying that it may be easier, but then you can't. आप कितनी looks क्या दिखाओगे? आपने कुछ भी अंदर पहनाया है, आपने ऊपर जैकेट देनी है, कोट देना है, and how much of that can you change?
अच्छा, तो फिर अभी स्टाइलिंग से एक्टिंग की जंप कैसे आई? फिर नदीम बेग ने डिसाइड किया कि यार आप नताशा भी अच्छा कर लेंगे, आप ही आ जाएं, we need a Natasha in Guru.
So he kept saying from the start, he was like, you know, it's this, you just fit into this character.
And you did.
Yeah, I mean, it was very me, like who I am as a person. And now that I'm doing a drama, I would say there's also, I realized the difference in acting for cinema and for TV. For TV, you need to have that ठहराव. You need to take your time and you need to, you know, express.
Because there is time to be taken.
There is time to be taken and you need to express. And I am just generally like, I'm a very like, you know, fast person. So even in the film, if you see, like, मैं कहीं से भी आती थी और मैं कुछ बोलती थी and I would just go like, you know, the pace is fine क्योंकि आपके around बहुत चीज़ें हो रही हैं. For drama, it's like, you need to really take time. तो मैं कुछ भी करती थी, so even Musaddiq would tell me, तुम सही ये ऐसे करो, सब कुछ स्लो कर दो. And I was like,
0.5 पे चलो.
And it was in my head.
मगर ड्रामे पे आने से पहले, I also want to know what was the difference working on a set like हमारे सिनेमा में और आपने मिस मार्वल में भी काम किया.
Yes.
उसमें क्या फर्क था ना? What was that shoot like and how long was that shoot? And I mean, obviously there's a huge difference, and we can't compare. We can't compare a Hollywood set to a Pakistani set, even if it's in London. We can't compare the two. लेकिन basic ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं जो आप समझते हो कि हमें ये अब resolve कर लेने चाहिए? For example, I know that punctuality, discipline.
I was going to say that's the first thing.
It's a huge thing, right? And everybody complains about it.
Yes.
हम क्यों नहीं सही कर पा रहे हैं?
Ooh, I don't know हम क्यों नहीं सही कर पा रहे.
Was the Marvel set punctual?
They were.